As intelligence give life infinite possibilities. Is breaking through the boundary of science and technology with its powerful forward engineering capabilities. The product endorsed with trust by our professionalism and preciseness. Turns the travel life into elegant finger moments. Freehand with technological innovation. Lifetime means more. Kouyu, specialist of
D-Bot, start cleaning.
Hi, I'm Max, your home surveillance robot vacuum. While at home, I'm continuously learning about my surroundings, increasing my mapping capabilities, route efficiency, maneuverability, and decision-making skills. Working smarter, not harder. That's me. I like to keep a close eye on things, sending out alerts and recording any noises, people, or motions, while the Trifo Home app lets alerted family members remotely control my movements to see and hear what's happening at home. You can say I take protection to the max. Staying connected is easy. With the Trifo Home app, speak and listen to other people, pets, and even intruders while away from home. And yes, I'm Alexa enabled. Did I mention that I really love to clean? With 3000 PA of suction, a large main brush, 6-claw side brush, a larger battery, and expanded dustbin, I clean better and longer than any other robot vacuum out there. Smart, strong, protective, and I really love to clean.